Okay, so we're going to be proving this version 2 of the induction. So there's different versions because there's 3 different classes right now running, and they gave out the original questions and answers for all of these. So this is what we were trying to prove. Okay, so we're going to assume this part here. Okay, let n be an arbitrary natural number, and assume that n is larger than or equal to 1. And then we define our predicate. Three divides 4n minus 1 plus 5. And then we're going to want to define what this exactly is. So this is a predicate that takes a natural number larger than or equal to 1, and you get returned a boolean. Cool. Alright then, so let's do the base case. And then, there's a hint here, but we'll look at that later. Usually it's not in the base case. So it's P1. This is because of this. So what we want to prove is, maybe I should write over here, prove. Okay, we want to prove that 3, 4, 1 minus 1 plus 5. And then we say, notice that 1 minus 1 plus 5, 4, 0, which is 1 plus 5, and this is what we want to show, and we write 3 divides 6. Okay, that's good. So then we do the induction up here. Okay, so set a new variable k. This is a natural number that's larger than or equal to 1. Okay, then we assume pk, which means that we're assuming 4k minus 1 plus 5, and then we want to show k plus 1, which means k plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. Okay, and then we can rewrite this as 4k plus 5. Alright, then for this type of question, especially when we're using these, we're going to want to rewrite what we want to show. So we have 4k plus 5, and then we take this hint over here. So whenever there's a hint like that, just write it out and see what you get. So 4k minus 1 plus 4k minus 1, and then plus 5. So this cancels itself out. And so you have a 3 here, and then the next step to do is you take a 4k minus 1 out. And okay, so this is the confusing part. So let's just look at something here. So if you have 4k times, if you have 4k times 4k minus 1, that is equal to 4k plus k minus 1. Okay, that's not what we're looking for. So then if you have 4 times 4k minus 1, this is equal to, so ignore this, this is equal to 1 plus k minus 1, which is equal to 4k. So taking this then, we know that 4k minus 1 equals to 4k. Okay, so then if we were to take 4k minus 1 out from 4k, so we rearrange this to be 4k divided by 4k minus 1, then we know it's equal to 4. Thus, by taking this out from this, we get 4. And then this becomes 1. Okay, and now we have something quite helpful. So, there's no other way to really get to this other than practicing specifically these types of questions. Okay, so then this part we know to be able to be divided by 3 because of IH, because of this. And then this part becomes, so let me rewrite this, k minus 1, 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? This part is divisible by 3. Okay, then we write thus, since 3 divides into 3, 4k minus 1, and 3 divides into 4k minus 1 plus 5 by IH. And we use this fact here. Using fact 1, we know pk plus 1. And that's just about how we do it.